Tired of battling confusing instructions and flimsy parts when setting up your new Sam's Club gazebo? This video is your express ticket to a stress-free assembly and countless hours of outdoor enjoyment. First, carefully unpack all components, laying them out in a clear, open area. Refer to your parts list to identify each piece. Don't skip this step. Next, begin constructing the frame. Start by connecting the base supports, typically using bolts and washers. Make sure everything is snug, but not fully tightened yet. Once the base is complete, attach the vertical support posts, again securing them with bolts and washers. With the upright posts in place, carefully attach the roof frame sections, ensuring proper alignment and secure connections at each joint. Now that your frame is built, it's time to add the fabric canopy. Carefully slide the canopy over the assembled frame, making sure it's evenly distributed and properly aligned. Secure the canopy to the frame using the provided straps, clips, or Velcro fasteners. Finally, and most importantly, secure your gazebo to the ground using the provided stakes or anchors. This is crucial for stability and safety, especially in windy conditions. And that's it. Your Sam's Club gazebo is now ready for you to enjoy. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific details and safety precautions. Happy relaxing! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful DIY guides.